Hello and welcome. This is a quick follow-up to my previous video on this old rusted out water tower to show you how to deal with some of the issues. So one of the early issues we discovered was this mess here. So here's one way to take care of that. I'm going to pull all these vertices in this corner together to make a nice sharp corner out of them. So I'm going to say cursor to selected, 3D cursor. Now I'm going to choose this and this vertex here. I push the right button and do an SX0. And as you can see, it pulled those vertices so they match that. Actually, could probably, let's see, we should probably pick this one also. And let's pick some more here. Yeah, SX0. All right. Now let's take this one. Take all of these vertices here and there. And yeah. SY0. It looks like we have a couple of extra vertices here, so let's see. Do an Alt-Z and grab all of them. There we go. Get rid of those. Looks like we had a couple here. Yeah, there's 3 of them down there. All right, fixed it. Got it working. All right, that's what I got for you today, or at least at the moment. Ooh, wait a minute. What is that? Well, I guess that's just the crosshairs, okay, of the thing. Yeah, all right. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye.